Okay, so this is the MetaTrader 4. It's a trading platform offered by many brokers. And if you go to view Market Watch, you'll find we have the currency pairs here. So we have the symbols for the currency pairs. We have this is gold, this is US oil. We have the indices. So all the asset classes that we have lent. So here on this chart, we have GBP CHF. So this is pound Swiss franc. And on this toolbar, we have these are called time frames. So you can go to monthly time frame, you can go to weekly time frame, to daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute time frame. So this is called a line chart. What moves in this market is the price. So as the price moves, this line chart prints itself. So this chart moves along with the price. And on this price, you can see we have the ask and the bid prices. So you can see the spread here. So we have the ask and bid price. So you can view price movement using the line chart. And this is the most basic that everyone can understand. We also have what we call the candlesticks chart. And we also have what we call the bar chart. So these are three different ways in which you can view this price movement in the market. So when the market is going down, it simply means Swiss franc is gaining strength against GBP. And when the market is going up, it simply means GBP is gaining strength against Swiss franc. So price or the exchange rate will be increasing as the market goes up and will be decreasing as the market goes down. So the value of £1 against Swiss franc when price was at this point, so around 17th of December, no, that's 24th December 2023. So price was around 1.07120. And you can see price did rise. We had a swing here and price continued to rise. You can see how price was rising. So it did rise up to 1.16427. So you can see that there is a great change in price or the exchange rate from this point to this point. So that simply means pound has gained strength against Swiss franc. So the same for a downtrend. So as the market is falling, it simply means the exchange rate is decreasing. So £1, the value of £1 against Swiss franc was decreasing during this time. Okay, so when the market is going up, we call this an uptrend, eh? And when the market is going down, we call this a downtrend. And the behavior of this Forex market is that the market would not move straight. So you'll never see the market moving straight. So the market always swings. So it will swing going down, it will swing going up, it will swing going down, going up. That's how an uptrend goes. And as for a downtrend, it will swing like this, eh? So that's a downtrend. So we have other terminologies that would represent an uptrend or a downtrend. So we can also call this a bull market. And we can also call this a bear market. Or we can call this a bullish market or a bearish market. So this is a bearish market. So a bearish market is the same as downtrend, and a bullish market is the same as uptrend. And these words or these terminologies came about because of the characteristics that these animals show when they attack you. So a bull will attack you, and a bull will simply throw you up, and a bull always eats grass. Therefore, a bull market would be represented by green. And when a bear attacks you, will throw you down, the bear will throw you down, and a bear always feed on meat. So it's red in color. So therefore, you would see a bearish market represented by red in color. So there is where we have these colors and we have these terminologies. So the market will always not move straight. It will be swinging. It will be swinging. So when you use candlesticks, when you use candlestick chart, you would find as the market is going down, the candlesticks would be red. As the market moves up, you'll find the candlesticks are green, representing bullish, this representing bearish market. So what do these candlesticks represent? What does the bar chart represent? Is what we are going to learn on the next session.